Hello, and welcome again. Part 2 of Harakat, and we're gonna talk about two of them in this video. The first is Sukoon, which literally means stillness. How can the letter be still and not move? Well, it's going to sound like this. B, b. No fatha, no dhamma, no kasra. Not ba, not bu, not bi. B. See, it looks like a ring or a circle above the letter, like a stop sign of some sort. Let's see an example. Kalb, which means dog. Note how lam is pronounced l. Kalb, not kalab or kalub or kalib. Kalb, l, l. See, this is sukoon. This is the purpose of sukoon. Sweet and simple. Let's check the second one. Shaddah. See those teeth here? Shaddah means a tightening. When you pronounce a letter with a shaddah, it will sound like this. B. Or it could be, of course, bu or bi. As if there is some sort of an assertion or a tightening on the letter. To further explain this, let's check the hummus example. There's a shaddah on the meme here, see? Hummus. A teacher of mine once said that the reason behind the invention of Shaddah was that there were words like this one that had two letters next to each other that were the same, only one of them had a sukoon and the other had one of the three harakat that we talked about in the last video. The fatha or the dhamma or the kasra. So in this example, hummus, there were two memes. One with a sukoon and the next one with a dhamma. So it's pronounced hummus, not hummus or himus, hummus, not hummus, hummus. Notice the tightening, the assertion. The reason behind it is this. One letter with a sukoon, another with another haraka. Hummus. Okay, to avoid confusion, the two letters were merged into one letter and the shadda was added as a mark that there is a tightening or an assertion on this letter. Of course, shadda can be alone like this, or to make it easier for the reader, the haraka of the second letter is added to it. In this case, in case of hummus, the dhamma, like so. See, shadda with a dhamma. This way you'll know that this is hummus, not hummus or hummis. Hummus. How about another example? Hurriya, which means freedom. The ya here has a shadda. The shadda has a fatha. Okay, so it was two letters, two ya, one with a sukoon, another one with a fatha. Hurriya. Okay, note that fatha and dhamma come above the shadda. In the previous video, we said that both of them come above the letter, unlike the kasra, which comes below the letter. So if we have a kasra, like in this word, sayyi. See, the kasra comes below the shadda here. Sayyi means bad. Is this clear? If you need any further explanation or if you have any questions, comment below. So, practice the sukoon and the shadda, practice them well, and I'll see you in the next video.